Hey everyone, this is Justin from the Carguments podcast, and this is the Mercedes AMG GTR. This was the third of 7 cars here that I drove at Exox Racing, and it was a lot different from the one I previously drove last, the NSX. This is a rear-wheel drive V8 twin-turbo, 577 horsepower, and it was very fun to drive, but it was also kind of difficult to take in all the instruction and process it while driving. But finally, I put it all together in the last lap, and it really helped my time. So, hope you enjoy it.
Yeah, and this car is high enough to see over. You're gonna stay on this outside edge or left side. Now, straight line to single ring. So that's an apex here, and then brake, slow down, and we'll balance in. All the way in. Through the exit. Happy time. Looking across, balance it all the way in. We're in and holding it. Now we get to the line, accelerate up. Brake slow. Tighter turn, don't have the bang canes. Oh man. All the way in here and just mid-track coming out to come back to the right. And this really is braking like driving, so just load the front end to steer. All the way in there. Down the hill for the mid-track, no more. So that gets you straight here, so we're accelerating and we're braking straight. Wait for it and just maintain speed in this corner. It's just a horribly patient corner, which I don't have any of. So we're going to throw you back over so we can accelerate. And same thing, braking here is just for grip. Now that blue line isn't off, don't drive over that, you're actually completely over it. And notice it didn't have any grip there either. Okay. From the outside, all the way. We got that blue line to let us know, because after blue line comes the Crocs and expensive paint jobs. And down the street. We're almost stopped for this corner. So start braking versus hammering all at once there. Okay. So you can adjust your brake pressure if you need to. If you brake super hard, you come off early, then the front end's too light. Gotcha. Braking. Yep, sorry. Yep, looking across. Yeah, gravel trap, Steve, trust me. All the way in. Back over. Just brush the brake for grip. Like a toe's worth of brake pressure. That's all you need. Okay. Down the hill, we're accelerating. Straight, brake straight like we mean it. And from the outside, we're turning all the way in. Keep turning. Now get to the line and accelerate. If you're on line, we'll get to go faster. Okay. Just right to the edge here. There you go. Not that far. Now straight. Now we'll brake it. So try to straighten it versus all that extra craziness. Okay. Straight here. Brake straight. Balance it all the way in. And notice how fast you're coming off the brake? Yeah. So brake lighter so you can carry the brake steeper. Okay. Longer, lighter brake. Now roll into the brake. There you go, no more now. From the outside, we're releasing the brake as you hand steering. Keep turning in. See how we're almost stopped? Yeah. So we can even less braking in now. Unwinding out. You want to slow down for the turn? I don't want to stop. Yeah. Now we're braking. This one will require more speed because it's a tighter turn all the way in. And this one, 3 sets us up for 4, so we're coming over, and at this point I'm already looking for the apex of 4, so the second I can see it, there it is. Now I'm already looking through the exit into turn 5. So I'm trying to look for that smooth path. We're braking here. Now looking across, wait for it, now turn in. There you go. Turn in, it's just a little bit early last time. Now get to the line, and see, working way over here, that exit's straight out in front of us at this point. Okay. So we're just brushing, so I gotta make my wide entry, set up for the corner. I'm gonna brake straight. So we can balance in, because there's that exit. Let's unwind and accelerate to it. Unwind and accelerate. If you can't unwind, it shouldn't be accelerating. Okay. It's a physics rule, it's not mine. Gotcha. So wait till you get that unwind. Now braking. There you go. Adding steering. Now slowly release the brake back on throttle, maintain speed. Unwind and accelerate. Take your time, unwind. I want to finish straightening at that exit versus having to make a correction. So when you go from one car to another, that's the hardest thing, is getting used to the steering right? Yeah. Working way back over. Balance it all the way there. Down the hill, squeeze that throttle. If I'm taking steering out, I'm going faster. Braking straight. Wait for it now. Just maintain speed. If you try to accelerate or brake here, the brake change screws everything up. Now we get to the line accelerate. Working way back over. Don't need to get on that outside edge.
Okay.
See how you actually do it? You had to turn again? Just mid-track, you're going to unwind one acceleration.
Okay.
All the way in. Getting all the way outside edge, just a longer path, not faster.
Gotcha.
All the way down. Keep going. And braking. Ready for it. Adding steering, slowly release brake, back on throttle, maintain speed, all the way in. Unwinding, squeeze that throttle, keep pushing all the way down. Squeeze versus hammer. There you go. Now braking. Braking. Looking across and turning it. All the way there. Get in there. All the way back over. Just stop braking here to steer. Balancing in there. All the way in, all the way in, all the way in. Free the car, bounding mid-track, accelerating. There you go. Now we'll have braking just to steer. Alright, now we're going to brake. Balance in here, all the way in, keep turning, now unwinding, accelerating. So he's not quite on the outside edge. You keep straightening and turning again.
Okay.
All the way back over. So you're trading longer distance. Not wrong, just not right. We're gonna go straight here, brake straight. Balance it all the way in here. So he's all the way in on that apex.
Mm-hmm.
Got that Performante behind us. Let's unwind out. Let that Performante by us.
Okay.
Yeah, let's let him get by. He's cheating. All-wheel drive, gazillion horsepower, no way. All right, keep going. Gonna pass him.
Pass him.
Yeah. And brake. Turning in. I'm giving it back to you right now. All the way in. Accelerate out. Braking. Looking across. Balance it all the way in. All the way in. All the way in. Don't let that sport utility catch you. This would be embarrassing. Get it back over. Like brush the brake. Balance it there. All the way in. All the way in. All the way in. Now I get to go. Keep going. Brushing the brake, brake, looking across. Just maintain speed here. Just turning. Now I get to go. That's the line.
Okay.
See how it took some less steering?
Yeah.
Balance it in there. Straighten in. Accelerate straight. Brake straight. Because we need to. Now we're going to cross all the way in. All the way in. Wait for it. Now go. That's it. Brake, back on throttle, maintain, unwinding, squeeze that throttle. Let's make that exit. Nice. Brake. Wait for it. Adding steering all the way in, maintain speed, unwind, accelerate mid-track. Light brush of the brake. We're hitting white wides, we're making them tight here. We're pushing wide, just wait for it, now we can go. Brake straight, we're going to stay on the left side, we're finishing our final lap. Dang it. We're going to extreme these blue pylons. A little bit wide, gotta wait that moment.
Yeah.
Not bad though. That last lap, we got a good rhythm through there, coming out of 5.
Just wanted to thank the team here at Exox Racing. This was a lot of fun. I really appreciate all their hard work and helping me out here. And yeah, if you want to check it out, exoxracing.com. It's probably the most fun thing anyone can do if you're into cars. I mean, this was a blast. So thanks again, Exox Racing, and we'll see you later.